How to patent 3D printing innovations in art and sculpture. Patentable aspects in art and sculpture encompass unique 3D printed designs, innovative printing techniques and tools, and sculptural compositions and processes. Key patent types for art and sculpture include utility patents for new techniques and tools, design patents for aesthetic creations, and process patents for innovative printing methods. The patent process for artistic creations involves identifying novel elements or processes, conducting a prior art search for uniqueness, and filing a detailed patent application. Overcoming patent challenges in art involves distinguishing novelty in artistic creations, balancing creativity with patentability criteria, and addressing prior art in digital design tools. Collaborating with patent attorneys. Leverage legal expertise by working with attorneys to navigate patent laws for art, tailoring applications to the artistic industry, and ensuring clear and comprehensive patent filings. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations. How to patent